Hi guys, Beach Clean Gamer here. Just coming in from the gym and a packet's being delivered. So, no further ado, let's get down to it. This beauty, Parrot Disco Drone FPV. Now, I've always wanted a drone, but I wanted a plane type drone, so I thought, yeah, get this. This got delivered today and made up. Absolutely made up. Got a good price on it as well. So, with further ado, let's get it opened. This is, I know me game, the title is Beach Clean Gamer, but this is nothing to do with games, but I've got loads of games, so I'm going to be doing loads of unboxing videos of all kinds of stuff. What else? Down there, on there. There. Okay, just trying to get it. That's out. Get one more on here. Sorry for being quiet, but it's my first video, so bear with us. Get better. So here we go. Parrot Disco FPV. Hold on, what's that? Okay. Here we go. Don't know if you can see it. I don't know. Can I turn that? I want to turn it and it all falls out. Okay, so got the instructions. Okay. See, oh, VR glasses. Now you put your phone in that as well, and you get like a first-person view from the camera. This is only a quick video, and it's, like I said before, my first video, so just bear with us. There's the controller with the antenna on the front. It's very much like an Xbox controller as well. Actually, I'll bring it up and see to the camera. Actually, here you go, guys. That's the glasses. It's the controller, like an Xbox. There you go. Yeah, feels quite nice. Feels nice, that. It's got paddle buttons as well on the side. And little wheels. I think the wheels does tilt the camera. I think it's okay. Let's get that. There you go, guys. This is the baby now, coming out. That's the parrot, that's the body of it. There's the body. It goes with my top. Maybe it should be a sponsor. There you go. That's the body out. Charger. Stop there then. Stop on there. I'll stop that later anyway. Charger. What else is there? Oh, spare wings. Open this. Here we go. What we got here? One wing. Wow, these are so light. So light. Nothing to them. But I've seen YouTube videos, and if it's even on windy days, you can tape along there just to give it a bit more stability. Works really well. So where are we? Get that out. There we go. There's another wing. Carbon fibre tips. They just dead easy to put together as well. They just go in there. I'll actually stand up. See? Carbon tips just go in there, and that clicks in there, pushes in. So I'll do that in a bit actually, because I want to get a shower first because I stink. So there's the body. It's the little beauty. What's that? What's this? Oh, okay, yeah, this is for the, okay, this is a tablet holder for the controller. So that screws on. It screws on like that, and then you can put a tablet there or your mobile phone. And then you can get the first person view and control it that way. That's looking good. Let's push that back in like that. What else is in here? A box, Parrot box. Okay, oh yeah, charging leads. Charging, the battery charger. USB to mini USB. And a selection of plugs. So, I only ordered, when did I order this as well? Was it late, what day is it today, Thursday? I ordered it late Wednesday. Late Tuesday I ordered it. I got it this morning, so happy days. Let's see what's on there, there's not underneath there. Let's see if there's anything there. No, nothing underneath there. So, guys, I am made up. I've got this drone actually made up. It was me mate. I didn't even want a drone, but my mate sent me a picture from Curry's because it was on offer. Now I've got one. I didn't get it from Curry's PC World in the end anyway because they ballsed it all up. Didn't know what they were doing. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I'm going to do more unboxing videos of Mega Drive, Super Nintendo, PC Engine games, all retro. So thanks for watching, guys, and if you like it, or just give us a comment or something, okay? Thanks.